Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I'm doing a quick PR unboxing. I have a lot of PR that's come in and I want to quickly do a PR unboxing because I know you guys requested me for PR unboxing. The last time I told you guys that there was a lot of stuff that I shoot. So yes, let's do a quick PR unboxing. I've actually been a little unwell, which is why this all just stacked up, and I thought let me quickly take you guys through the unboxing. My most exciting package is always this black packet. It's MAC, one of my first and favorite makeup brands. I think you can't go wrong with MAC. MAC has sent me two products. One is their MAC Studio Fix foundation. This is the Fluid SPF 15 24-hour matte foundation. I love the new formula. It's really good. If you haven't tried a MAC foundation, I think I suggest you do that soon because their foundation is amazing. So this is how the bottle looks like. I do feel this shade is a little darker on me, but sometimes this is what happens when PRs come in and it's the wrong shade. This is NC42 and definitely not my shade, so I'll probably gift it to someone or do a giveaway. So I want you guys to start commenting, and if I see the same, let me think what the giveaway should be. By the end of the video we'll talk about it. The next is this is the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. Absolutely love this product. This I'm very excited about because I had actually gone to the MAC store to try this new product out. I love the new packaging of MAC. It's again very MAC, very classy. This is the powder foundation. The formula is incredible, and this is in the shade C4. Just showing you guys. I really think the shade is a shade match. It's C4 and pretty nice. I'm not a very powder foundation person, but this actually looks quite nice. If you are someone who likes matte base, this is a OG and quite nice. So this is, I have nothing on my face right now, so yes, this is the other product that's coming. So these are the two base products and you can't go wrong with base products from MAC. So these are the two MAC products that have come in. Highly recommend you to, if you don't have a pressed powder, MAC is the best. Now the next package is something I'm so relieved right now because this is a restock I was actually praying for. Like, these are some of my most used products. You guys know I'm obsessed with the Clinique Moisture Surge and I have the full range. Oh my god, I actually need to put some lip balm on. I have nothing on my face today, but this is the complete Moisture Surge range, which is my absolute favorite, guys. I highly recommend all three products out. Let me show you guys. Oh my god, this is like, this package has made me so happy. So these are the three products that have come in. First is the Moisture Surge moisturizer. Next is the Active Glow Serum. I'm over with this and I loved it. This I use anyway multiple, and this is their lip balm. So these are the three products and I highly recommend, I'm going to tag these products down, guys. I highly recommend you to try all of these and just use them because they are that good. This is the Moisture Surge Active Glow Serum. Literally one of those serums that my skin has loved. Like, I'm just going to show you because I don't have much makeup on because I just tried out that little MAC thing, but I want to show you this texture because beyond that little MAC powder that I use, there's nothing on my skin. This is the Active Glow Serum, and when the word Active Glow Serum, they stand by it. Look at that. I love how this melts into my skin and gives my skin this beautiful glow. So this Active Glow Serum is something, if you use, your skin will anyway glow. It's like a milky serum, and I just got over with it a while ago, and I've been meaning to show this to you guys because just look at that. Can you see the glow on my skin? So like, I would just use this serum. That's how good this feels on my skin. So this is a serum you guys need to get now. So this is the first one, Next is my favorite moisturizer. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge. I don't need to even tell you, I think years of using this, and luckily it's a big restock, and I highly recommend you guys to get this moisturizer because it is the best. Like, I think nothing suits my skin better than the Clinique Moisture Surge. It's my favorite moisturizer, and it's my favorite for a reason. This suits my skin like how, and works like magic on my skin. Just look at that. Absolutely love it. Last is the lip balm, and this is the Moisture Surge Hydro Plump lip balm, and even this is really nice and smooth. You use these 3 products and your skin, did you see how I started the video? Just go back and see, and look at how my skin is looking now. All these 3 products are so good. The Moisture Surge range is one of the best skincare ranges I've used, and Clinique has literally aced it. This suits my skin like how. I love it, highly recommend, and I'm so glad. Thank you Clinique for this restock. I really needed this. I never leave any Clinique product unused. So Akind, which is a brand by Meera Kapoor, Shahid Kapoor's wife. I hope you guys know that. I had always received a lot of skincare from Akind, but Akind has been launching a lot of makeup products. I've yet not used any other product. Like, I want to try their skin tint, but haven't had the chance to do that. But they have launched multi-tints with hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil. This is for lips, cheeks and eye. It's a multi-tint. This is how the product looks, and guys, I can't tell you, I've actually collaborated with this brand, and these are the 6 shades. I thought it would be like one of those, again, stick tints, but oh my god, it's like a liquid moussey lipstick which you can use on your cheeks, on your eyes, on your lips. It is incredible. I'm not swatching it right now because I'm just keeping my skin makeup free today, but this is another new launch I've just received. It is just launched as we speak, and it is incredible. I've used it not because I've collaborated with them, but because the product is actually that damn good. It's like a cloud-like velvety texture, and it blends like magic on everything. Like, if you want to use a monochrome look, use it on your cheeks, your eyes and your lips, and you're good to go. Very good product, must try. Too Faced has sent me restocks. And again, I love Too Faced. I recently attended a Too Faced event in which they actually gave me their new Cloud Crush lipstick. I will do a short video of swatching that too. The formula is incredible. Today they've sent me their concealer, their OG concealer. If you like high coverage concealers, you have to try Too Faced concealers because they are really nice, and they really are creamy and they blend very well. This is the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer, which is like a very award-winning concealer from Too Faced. Really like this product. But what I love from Too Faced is this, and I'm glad I have a restock. This is the Better Than Sex mascara. This has been my favorite mascara since 10 years now. I think since I started doing makeup, if someone told me ages back that this is one of the best mascara, and I stood by it, and I've used what, 20 of these. Again, this is an OG. This is their hero product, and it's a hero for a reason. This will give you the most beautiful lashes, and if you've yet not used the Too Faced mascara, this is the time to try it, guys. This is fabulous. Tell me if you want swatches of any of these. I'll do quick shorts videos and share with you guys. A brand called Glory has sent me these really nice oil. It's Purnima Ki Chand. It's a very nice oil brand. Basically, they have Shiromani, which is a therapeutic hair growth oil, truly natural. And this is how the oil is. Then they have Sanjeevita, which is a therapeutic pain relief oil. Again, these are all natural oils. Very interesting. And then there's Tuasa, which is a therapeutic massage oil. So basically 3 oils that are very interesting. Very excited to try because I think we all love a nice massage. Jewelry brand store is opening in Bandra. It's called Bhavya Ramesh, and they have actually sent me an invite of the exclusive launch of their store. I'm excited to try. I love jewelry, you guys know, and this is what they've sent. It's winter season, and I don't know, if you don't have this winter essential, what are you even doing? I think you all have. We all love Uniqlo. It's one of my favorite brands when it comes to winter wear, and every time I travel, this is my go-to product. The heat tech from Uniqlo is the best. This is a package from Uniqlo, and I'm very grateful again. This is their cashmere blend heat tech. It's basically the extra warm heat tech. This is basically the black one, and this is basically such a classic. If you you know, especially when we travel to any winter destination, obviously in Bombay it's not this cold, which is great, but every time I travel to Delhi, or if I'm traveling anywhere else, I am always only wearing the Uniqlo heat techs, and they are my favorite. Even right now when I was in Australia, I survived only because of heat techs, because I feel extremely cold, and I also feel like styling your clothes, you know, rather than styling them on top with multiple layers, you rather wear a heat tech and you're sorted, and you would wear much lesser layers than what you would if you don't wear a heat tech. So heat tech is a winter essential. So if you live in a place where you do get winters, this is something you need to get. Absolutely love it. Thank you, Uniqlo. Love a restock of my heat techs, right? Especially anytime I want to travel, this is something I always reach out to. Next up is Indulgio. Indulgio is again a brand. I actually started using Indulgio's oil once I had received it. Very interesting box they've sent me, box of goodies. There's a Bio Collagen Intense Glow Sheet Mask. I definitely want to try this out. I don't get time to do masking, but I should. Then there's your Daily Armor Against Sun. This is the UV Protect SPF Sunscreen Gel. There is this product which I'm excited to try. This is their Vitamin A Pro Retinol Restoring Essence. Looks pretty interesting. Then of course their famous Rose Gold Oil. So yeah, just an assortment of goodies from Indulgio. Looks nice. My favorite comfort wear brands is Bliss Club, while again Uniqlo is one of my favorite comfort wear brands, but one of my favorite Indian comfort wear brands, activewear brands, everyday wear brands is Bliss Club, and they have launched tracksuits, guys. I'm very excited because, I mean, who doesn't love comfortable wear? But there's something very unique about this package which I want to show you. So basically something very interesting. This is what they've launched. Basically these are track sets, the very comfortable track sets, and I have worked with Bliss Club personally also, but I've also worn Bliss Club's products forever. Like I live in their leggings and their flare pants, especially all of their stuff. Like their pants are my favorite, their t-shirts are great, their sports bras, everything is fab. So they have launched tracksuits. What is interesting is, besides the note from the founder, is this is the Bliss Lab. Basically they have shared all the different fabrics in which they make their stuff, and let me show you like this. For example, this is the Air Melt, which is weightless, ultra soft, breathable, 4-way stretch. Oh my god, this fabric is actually great, guys, and this design comes in it. Then Bare Butter. I love Bare Butter. The fabric is so good. I love that these packages are so experiential. You actually get to see the product, and good quality speaks for itself. So Bliss Club is that brand that is so good with their quality. This is Cloud Soft. Again, very nice. This is extremely soft, 4-way stretch, moisture wicking, lightweight, and this is Rib Supreme. This is like the ribbed fabric. So you can actually choose which one you want, and they've shown which style comes in which fabric, which is so cool. Like this is your guide to what you want to buy from Bliss Club. I personally feel you should try everything, and now they even have stores, but whatever Bliss Club is doing is gold. Like in terms of comfortable wear, their fits, they are made for Indian women and Indian body types, firstly, especially because we Indian women are bottom heavy. Like I'm a small on top and medium on bottom always, but that's another story. But you know, all I'm saying is their fits are incredible, their fabrics are too good. So what they have launched, what they've sent is this track set. I love the color. This is the sweatshirt. It's got a zipper, it's got a pocket, so nice. This is priced at 2300. I've taken the size medium. Looks a little big on me, but you want comfy wear to be a little loose. These are the track pants. So nice, guys. Absolutely love this. The fabric looks great. Quality is so good. So this is the set that Bliss Club has just launched these, and I'm so glad they've launched these. Especially when you're traveling or just running errands here and there, you need comfort wear, active wear like this. This is something I live in and love. So yes, this is something I'm very happy to receive. Next, a brand called Flout has sent me a new launch. Basically, this is a new brand. Basically, it's a skincare brand. They've sent an active moisturizer, serum, and a mist. And looks interesting. It's a research-backed skincare brand. They reached out to me and they wanted me to try their products. Never heard about this brand, but looking forward to trying it. Definitely, I do like to support new brands. So let's see. Next, a big box came my way, and it's very velvety. They're basically two boxes. The brand is called Luxora. Yeah, Luxora. Okay, they are into blushes. And the box just came in without any notice. I've never heard about the brand. Okay, oh my god, there's marshmallows in it. Basically, this is the beautiful packaging, because this is literally my first impression also, and I don't want to ruin it. How do we open this? Oh, okay. This is how it opens up. These are cream blushes. Wow, I personally love cream blushes. You guys know that. I don't want to touch it also because the brand actually reached out to me and they wanted me to try it out. Right now I'm not touching it because I want to do first impressions on my Instagram, the full range. And I think, ooh, so pretty. Check this out. Oh my god, the colors are really nice and I love the packaging. It's very nice and sleek. Look at that. Very interesting, especially because it's cream products. I personally love cream products. A lot of times food comes my way. Food Square has sent me this. Spicy Sangria is an exhibition that's coming up on the 21st of November. I'm not sure. I hope this video goes live before that. At Olive Bandra, and this is basically an invite, and a lot of times when invites come, they come bearing goodies. These are the goodies, but Food Square is a store in Bandra. I'm sure a lot of you guys know. They have everything under the sun in terms of snacking options, ingredients and everything. I love the salsa, chunky and spicy salsa, and there's just bruschetta, there's peanuts, there's smoked paprika chips, whatnot. So yeah, Food Square is damn good. But Spicy Sangria is an exhibition that also I've heard a lot about. So festive shopping exhibition. This is all the PR I received in the last 1 week that I was not able to unbox, so I'm glad I did it with you guys. Now you have it. I'm going to tag all the products that I really like from all this and recommend, so you guys can see. I hope you guys like this video. Bye guys.